everybody. Welcome to Madison Treats Summer Barbecue, Summer Backyard Barbecue Hawaiian Tiki Party. That's the theme we're going with for this collaboration bag with Christine's Kitchens. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put together the Hawaiian style Sloppy Joe. Super easy, and this barbecue sauce from Aloha is amazing. So what comes in your kit is the ground beef or the tofu and the barbecue sauce. I am adding a little bit of onion and grated ginger. You don't have to, but if you have onion, you might want to add that to your Sloppy Joe. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to make both the tofu and the ground beef at the same time. So I have some diced red onion. And I'm going to let those saute for just a few minutes. When the onions are browned, I'm going to go ahead and add the ground beef or the tofu. So once the onions are browned, I go ahead and add in either the ground beef or the tofu and let it saute just a little bit before adding in some grated ginger. Again, this is optional. I'm also adding in a pinch of salt. And some pepper. And now I'll just let both of these cook down a little bit, especially the tofu. You want to make sure the water is evaporated off of the tofu. So once the tofu is cooked down and dried out a bit, it'll probably look something like this. And that's when I'll add the barbecue sauce. This barbecue sauce is a sweet Hawaiian style barbecue sauce, perfect for a Hawaiian Sloppy Joe, super delicious. So I'll add a little bit of that in there and let it cook just a little bit more. And then I'll add some of the barbecue sauce to the meat as well, and we'll have both a meat and a vegetarian Hawaiian style Sloppy Joe. Once you've added the barbecue sauce, it'll look something like this. And then you can go ahead and make your sliders. To assemble the sliders, I just put some of the barbecue beef or tofu on the bun, added a few of the K. Clark pickles, maybe a potato chip,